In this tutorial in CyberLink PowerDirector, we're going to show you the love transitions available as an additional pack for users of PowerDirector 365. There are 10 of them. Let's look at them. The first one, love transition number 1, is basically a fade, you'll see in a moment, from the top to the bottom. The second transition, love transition number 2, starts in the center with hearts. It will flash to white, and then you'll see some shaking going on. The third transition in the series has gold hearts at the center. It also flashes to white and then shakes before moving into the second video clip. The fourth transition in the series basically expands gold hearts in the center and then fades around them in the background as you transition. The fifth love transition is one where you have floating multicolored hearts. It will flash to white and it will also shake before moving into the second video. The sixth transition is one where they will move from left to right. They're multicolored, and then they will flash as they move to the right, mostly. The seventh love transition is one where we have floating red hearts. They flash and shake and move to a white background before the transition ends. Eighth love transition as floating hearts from the bottom of the screen to the top of the screen, accompanied with a fade. The ninth transition in the series is floating hearts from left to right, and then it will fade out in the end. The 10th and last love transition has expanding hearts from the center of the screen, resulting in a fade at the end of the transition.